Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been some time, but we are going to switch it up and do a oil change on the lawnmower. We got the H700f version. Now unfortunately in the manual you will have to tip over the lawnmower into a oil pan and drain all the oil out. But before you drain out all the oil, it is recommended to run it for about 2 minutes. So that way you kind of warm up the oil a little bit and make sure it drains a little faster. I'm going to be doing a little bit of maintenance on the tires, going to replace the tires. I had this mower for quite some time and they are quite bald. The dipstick is located by the exhaust. Run the engine for about 2 minutes, flip it over into an oil pan, grab some gloves, and it should just drain about a half a quart. We're going to use 5W30 oil in it. When we fill it back up, we're going to put in about 0.58, so just over a half a quart of oil back into the mower. And we're going to start it up, make sure everything is functional, and then yeah, we should be good to go. Okay. This should have been done a long time ago. Okay, well, anyways, we'll go ahead and put oil back into it, get it cleaned up, and it should be good. We're going to go ahead and put some 5W30 in it. It does say 10W30, but that's at lower temps. It is recommended for 5W30 or 30. Third of the way with oil, check it with the dipstick, and yeah. Make sure you do not overfill it. About 3/4.